Okay, few days ago amaje galumba amaka ga Robert Kyagulanyi Center mu Bobi Wine wataali nga waliyo mukyala we okukosaako n'abenganda ze ne babakolako ebintu ebitaali birungi. Mukyala we Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi enkeera yafuna olukuŋŋaana lw'abannamawulire n'ategeeza eggwanga byonna ebyamutuusibwako abasajja abo ab'amagye. Now, many people we are so much concerned nti abakyala ab'amaanyi mu Uganda tebalina kye baakolawo ku kikolwa eky'obukaba oba ku kikolwa eky'obutujju, ku kikolwa eky'obumenyi bw'amateeka obwateekebwa ku mukyala munnaabwe Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi. However, a few people came out to condemn whatever happened on that day. Era kwabo mulimu mikwano gya Barbie omuli omukyala omukozi wa radio amanyikibwa nga Mbabazi Lucky. Mbabazi Lucky yavaayo naye n'avumirira ekikolwa ekyo era bw'ati bwe yayogera ku bintu ebyatuukawo olunaku amagye lwe galumba amaka ga Bobi Wine. Yayogera bw'ati.
I don't know if you have seen a couple of videos circulating on the social media where Barbie Kyagulanyi, who is a wife to Robert Kyagulanyi, was screaming out in the night and saying some men have accessed her home and they want to break in, they want to assault her, something like that. You could clearly hear in her voice that she was scared and she was just asking the men, what do you want from us? What do you want in my home? What do you want in my compound? The videos are all over the social media, and I think also Bobi Wine posted on his socials. I saw her brother-in-law, Dax Vibe, had also, posted that Barbie Kyagulanyi was being kidnapped, help people. And then I also saw some posts by Solomon Kampala, who is a son to Barbie Kyagulanyi, saying, oh my God, something is happening to my mother. I do not know if she's okay. Guys, do help, something like that. So when I saw the post in the morning, first of all, I was like, okay, what is going on? Remember the last time I posted up about Barbie's situation and how she had said she didn't have food. She was talking to religious leaders, mind you, and I posted it up. Not most of you, well, some of you were saying, oh, Lucky, this is politics, it's just comedy, just leave them alone. I'm like, I cannot hear a woman cry like that, and I just sit here comfortably, and yet I actually know her. I'm not going to deny her just because she's in that situation. I actually know her. I have met some of her children. Literally, some of her children were going in the same school with my kids at one point, and every day I would go visit my children. I would run into one of the children and we would have a conversation, talk and hug. Now, how can that mother be in this situation and you expect me to be quiet and not at least say something about her, not anything else? You know what I mean? And somehow you think this is political. Anyway, sorry, I went off a little bit. So last night, they came into her home. That's a fact. From what I've heard so far, they entered the house, they accessed it. Barbie was there with some other people. And I think they took gadgets, maybe and some things there because maybe they needed them for some sort of security purposes. I don't know. And from what I hear, they had asked her for something, whether a password to one of the gadgets. And I think there was a bit of resistance there. And from the reports that I've heard, she was allegedly assaulted. That is Barbie Kyagulanyi. And allegedly, she is in a hospital receiving treatment because she was allegedly badly beaten. This is not about politics. This is about humanity. Yeah.
Alright, ebyo byali ebigambo bya munnamawulire oyo akola ku Capital FM, Lucky Mbabazi. Y'omu ku abo abavaayo okukondemminga oba okwogera ku kikolwa ekyakolebwa ku mukyala munnaabwe Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi. However much, we have so many famous ladies ab'amaanyi abataafayo kwogera ku kikolwa kyakolebwa ku mukyala wa Bobi Wine, Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi. Now omulala yavaayo era okwogera ku nsonga y'emu ye mukyala abadde mu nsonga zino okumala ebbanga si mulala wabula Winnie Byanyima. Winnie Byanyima ono mukyala wa Kano retired Dr. Kiza Walanfefe Besigye. Mu kaseera nga naye ali mu mbeera y'emu ey'okunyigirizibwa okuyisibwamu famire yaabwe ng'abakuyisaamu ye state, naye era yavaayo y'omu ku abo abaasooka ovaayo okuvumirira ebikolwa bino. Yavaayo n'ategeeza mu post gye yakola before, yagamba nti I condemn in strongest terms the violent attacks on the home of Barbara Itungo, the brutal assault on her staff, and the continued persecution of the family of Bobi Wine. A violent militarized election can never reflect the will of the people. Kidnaps, abductions, killings, leaders forced into hiding, and nearly 10 days on the internet still deliberately crippled. This is state terror, not democracy. This is not the peaceful country we fought to have. Bwatyo bwe yayogera ng'amaze okuteekayo ka clip kaneeno nga Barbie annyonnyola oba nga tottola ebyo ebyamuyisibwamu on that day. Now, oba oliawo oli yandigambye nti at this moment we expect each and every person yayogera ku nsonga eyo, naye munnaaye ekyewunyisa nti a few people came out and spoke ku nsonga eno. Now omukyalo ono Winnie Byanyima teyakomawo wokka era yavaayo n'ayongera n'ateekako another caption ku nsonga eno n'agamba nti this is outright thuggery. Barbara Itungo's phone must be returned now. The siege on her home must end immediately, and full compensation paid for those doors and windows smashed by UPDF soldiers. This lawful brutality has no place in democratic society. It must stop. Omuntu omu yavaayo n'ategeeza nti poliisi oba n'amagye tebanaba kulumba maka ga Bobi Wine that night. Naye gwe ssebo oba nnyabo andaba, Barbara that night Itungo yateekayo ka video ng'alaga abasajja nga bayingira mu nnyumba n'abagamba mutuwaagaza ki. Omukulu Lusoke Kituma omwogezi wa poliisi yagamba nti ab'ebyokwerindirira abali ewa Bobi Wine baliwo okukuuma, and we expect them okuuma outside nga tebayingidde. Naye that time round baalabibwa nga bayingidde, which means that was trespass. Ate n'okuyingira nga bakimanyi bulungi nnyo nti makage Bobi Wine teyaliyo wabula waliyo mukyala we gwe baateeka ku house arrest nga n'okufuluma tebamukkiriza. So different people batandise okuvaayo. Ensonga eno twagirabanga egenda okukomaawo esirike, naye ebikolwa ebyakolebwa ku mukyalo ono bitandise okutinkula emmeme z'abantu ne bagamba no, we need to come out and speak on this nonsense must stop. Tambuza video.